I think we always focus on the customer, and we always forecasted that customers will deal with a lot more scale. Customers will need a lot more simplicity to handle scale, and they need a technology solution to be able to do that. And that's sort of really what we've sort of always said. And when we said that, we said, look, this need to be done in the context of just not, what gets done in a part of the company, but what gets done across the company. And that's where we said we need to digitize the enterprise. And that's where our envisaging an enterprise software called Media ERP came into being. And that sort of really is what is sort of increasingly coming true, whereby having a software that goes across the enterprise, for actually having what's more popular in this show called a MAM, and having the same MAM go from production through distribution as one software. I think all these concepts are some things that we've always sort of talked about, and I can say that we see customers far more being aligned to that thought today than they ever were in the last several years. What we do in this IBC that's different from the other IBCs is, one, we brought AI and our sort of investments in AI. So in this show, we're launching a native media recognition AI platform that actually harnesses sort of, we call wisdom from intelligence. So we work across the existing engine providers like Azure Cognitive, IBM Watson, and engines like that, large and small models. And we have our own models added to it, but we build wisdom leveraging this intelligence. And the focus of building wisdom is actually to kind of try and give handles for customers to make decisions. So that's sort of really what is unique about this Vision Cloud. We call it Vision Cloud, which is a module under the Clear Media ERP software. That's absolutely brand new, and I think we're very, very excited with this. Not just, the common refrain is, yeah, AI is there, AI is good, but it's got some years to mature. I think that's what we focused on very heavily. We build on what the industry has done, but we make it actionable for customers from the tool perspective, and that's why we call it Vision Cloud. And we patented a algorithm called machine wisdom. And I think that's what is super cool about what we brought to the show. The other sort of focus that we're bringing into the show in a much more of a robust manner is really that we see all our customers producing more content, and I think that's why the big focus on the solutions that we have on the production supply chain side. And we have a brand new upgraded sort of version of our if you will, award-winning DAX Production Cloud software, which is used about over 70% of scripted television in Hollywood uses our DAX Production Cloud module. We've come with that module with far more enhanced sort of feature functionality. But the other aspect that complements that is really the module called Create, which is again a brand new offering, which really sort of helps customers in managing the production supply chain for their pre-production and production life cycle. And particularly I see significant interest in there in the context of Adobe actually sort of doing end of life, believe it or not, for their Adobe Story product. And I think customers are sort of actually looking for alternatives, and I think the Create module is just perfect for that kind of a construct, that it offers what Adobe Story offers and a significant lot more.